How to fix NVIDIA Profile Inspector error. Download the latest version of NVIDIA Profile Inspector from a trusted source and extract it again on your computer. Run the program as administrator so it can access the driver settings properly. Update the NVIDIA graphics driver to the latest version from the official website. Restart the computer after installing the driver so the new driver files load correctly. Make sure NVIDIA control panel is installed and working normally on your system. Close other GPU tuning or overclocking software before opening the program. Disable antivirus temporarily if it blocks the application from running. Delete the old NVIDIA Profile Inspector folder and use a fresh extracted copy. Check Device Manager to confirm the graphics driver is installed without errors. Update Windows to the latest version to improve driver compatibility. Restore default profiles inside the program if a broken profile is causing the error. Restart the computer and open the program again to confirm the problem is fixed. Thank you for watching.